Have you ever looked up at a soaring bird and wished you could join it? Imagine the feeling of the wind beneath your wings, the world unfolding below you in a tapestry of colours and shapes. Paragliding offers that freedom, the chance to dance with the wind and experience the world from a breathtaking new perspective. It's not just about the thrill, it's about the serenity that comes with floating effortlessly above the earth. It's a sport that combines adrenaline with tranquility, technical skill with pure joy. The rush of launching off a cliff is balanced by the calm of gliding through the air, making it a unique blend of excitement and peace. Many people assume paragliding is an extreme sport reserved for daredevils. They picture heart-stopping stunts and dangerous maneuvers, but the truth is, it's accessible to almost anyone with a sense of adventure and a willingness to learn. With proper training and guidance, even beginners can master the basics and enjoy the skies. The first step is overcoming any apprehensions and taking that leap of faith. Once you do, you'll find a community of enthusiasts ready to support you, and a sky full of possibilities waiting to be explored. The dream of flight is closer than you think. I remember my first paragliding experience vividly. Standing on a gentle slope, the wind billowing my wing, I felt a mix of excitement and trepidation. Taking those first few steps and feeling myself lift off the ground was exhilarating. The world opened up beneath me, the worries of everyday life melting away as I soared through the air. It was a transformative experience that ignited a lifelong passion. One of the biggest misconceptions about paragliding is that it's incredibly dangerous. While it's not without risks, like any adventure sport, modern paragliding equipment and training protocols have made it significantly safer. Proper training from certified instructors is crucial. They teach you everything from understanding weather conditions and equipment to launching, landing and handling emergencies. With knowledge and preparation, paragliding can be enjoyed safely and responsibly. Before you can take to the skies, you'll need the right gear. This isn't just about having the equipment, it's about having the right equipment that suits your needs and ensures your safety. The essential equipment includes a paraglider wing, a harness, a reserve parachute, a helmet and gloves to protect your hands. Additionally, a variometer is crucial. This instrument helps you find lift and avoid sink, making your flight smoother and more enjoyable. Choosing the right equipment is vital. It's not just about picking any gear, it's about selecting the gear that fits you perfectly. Beginners should always seek guidance from experienced pilots or instructors. They can provide invaluable advice and help you understand the nuances of each piece of equipment. It's important to find gear suitable for your weight, skill level, and local flying conditions. This ensures not only your safety, but also enhances your overall flying experience. Always perform thorough pre-flight checks to ensure all your equipment is secure and in good condition. This step is crucial for a safe and enjoyable flight. Nothing compares to the sensation of your first solo flight. The ground falls away beneath you and you feel a rush of excitement and anticipation. The wind whispers in your ears, carrying with it the promise of adventure and the thrill of the unknown. You're lifted effortlessly into the sky, leaving behind the worries and stresses of everyday life. It's a moment of pure magic, where time seems to stand still, and you are one with the elements. A feeling of absolute freedom and exhilaration washes over you as you soar like a bird high above the earth. Remember, paragliding is a journey of continuous learning. Each flight teaches you something new, and every experience adds to your skills. Start with tandem flights with experienced instructors who can guide you through the basics and ensure your safety. Gradually progress to solo flights as your skills and confidence grow. Respect the weather, know your limits, and never stop learning. Embrace each moment and let the sky be your playground.